In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Oculus Quest 2. This should be a quick process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions. Now, what happens when you factory reset your Oculus? If you don't back up your headset, a factory reset will permanently delete all of the saved games and settings on your device. Just make sure you have all your settings saved somewhere. Then just go ahead to restart your Oculus without losing data. All you can do is to go ahead, pressing the power button and selecting restart while the headset is on. This is helpful if the headset is frozen or you're starting to troubleshoot your device. Now, number one, when the headset is on, hover over the clock on the left side of the menu, tap Quick Settings, and access the Quick Settings panel. Tap Settings, select System, then Backup. Tap the switch next to Cloud Backup to turn it on. Now, how to factory reset your Oculus Quest and Oculus Quest 2. This is easy. All you have to do to reset it using the headset is to press and hold the power and volume down buttons until your Oculus turns on. And from the USB update mode menu, use the volume buttons to navigate the menu and select factory reset. Select yes and erase in factory reset. If you want to reset it using Meta Quest app, just use these options.